You absolutely can't afford to miss this. The ACTi Access Control Device is here to shake the foundations of the security industry. With over 50% cost savings and zero maintenance fees, this is not just a deal, it's a revolution against lending. Whether you manage a school, factory, or government office, ACTi delivers unmatched identity precision and operational efficiency that will redefine your security standards. ACTi supports a full range of authentication methods: RFID, NFC, QR code, barcode, PIN code, and all types of biometric identification. Face, fingerprint, iris, retina, palm vein, and voice. Plus, USB dongles, OTP tokens, ALPR vehicle ID, and e-tag. In education, screen students and visitors at school gates. In factories, automate shift check-ins. In government sites, enforce strict multi-factor verification and vehicle control. ACTi manages between 3,000 to 500,000 RFID cards and 1,500 to 100,000 face profiles, depending on the model. Perfect for factories with massive workforce rotation, multi-campus schools, or high-density government buildings. Stable, scalable, and precise. ACTi supports Mifare, EM, and HID cards at both 125 kHz and 13.56 MHz frequencies. Whether you're integrating legacy systems or building new ones, ACTi adapts smoothly. Ideal for hybrid deployments across schools and government agencies. With support for Wiegand, RS 485, RS 232, and more, ACTi devices seamlessly link to any controller box. Whether connecting factory floor readers to central systems or bridging control rooms in government sites, integration is effortless. Most models come with built-in displays, up to 7-inch LCD color screens. Whether for real-time facial authentication in school dorms, anomaly alerts at factory gates, or portable government kiosks, the interface is intuitive and fast. Support for DC, AC, and PO power with optional backup battery and solar integration. This ensures uninterrupted operations across school blackouts, factory maintenance, or emergency government situations. ACTi outdoor models are IP65 Plus rated with metal housing, minus 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius tolerance, and tamper-resistant casings, fully certified. Ideal for stadiums, shipping bays, and outdoor government installations. Ready to experience total access control without compromise? ACTi delivers high-spec multi-factor authentication, massive database handling, and extreme weather protection, all at half the cost. Reach out today and secure your campus, factory, or government facility with ACTi's unbeatable solution.